I would say again, as an organization culture, we believe in teamwork, right? And any idea, any thoughts coming from any individual is always encouraged and voiced out, and that automatically fosters an environment which is very collaborative, and I would say that mutual understanding and respect automatically creates a place conducive for people to work, right? Apart from that, I would say the trust that we create, right? With every team that we work, I think trust plays an important factor. Once you establish trust, automatically everything falls in place. So I would say this makes a team to be highly productive and really a best place to work for. So the first thing which I would want to attribute is like some of the customers whom we have been engaging with, right? Like for, I would say, almost for 20 plus years, that itself is a true testament for the customer success, right? So in terms of metrics, I would say that apart from that, like we do a lot of customer surveys, engage with them actively in terms of feedbacks about our teams, how they express the challenges, right? That we try to do that through our client partners or through our architects who directly work with the customers to get that feedback continuously flowing into the system, right? Which basically helps us to measure how successful we are. And the next thing which I would say is like we've never walked out of any of our engagement till date. That's again living to that expectations, right? So it's say that we have always been successful with every engagement that we have been and have never turned our backs. It is difficult to pick any particular customer or any particular success story, right? For me, every customer is important, right? Be it a team of an individual playing a role or a team of 40 who is actively delivering day in and day out. So I would attribute to my entire team every delivery, every milestone has been successful, right? And I'm proud of my team and how we are delivering. So I would say that we never see ourselves as a vendor or someone who goes just implements a solution, right? We've always treated our customer as our partner, and we collaborate them as in a partner mode. So it's always been like, okay, any challenge that we see, right, or anything, we proactively engage in a way to constantly get the feedbacks, how the teams are working on the field, what kind of suggestions that we can give, and we constantly look or engage in conversations with our business partners to understand in what way we can help solve their problems, right? And by looking out for solutions, or rather going upfront and proposing solutions, saying, hey, this could be the best way to implement, or this could be the best roadmap that we can engage and just not discontinue our journey here, right? That's something, those are some proactive measures which our architects team or the client partner team constantly do. Apart from that, for any engagement we identify all the key stakeholders, and we ensure that there is a constant touch base with this stakeholder team to ensure for the best interest for the success of the project as well as for the success of the team, right? So we ideate, we collaborate, and we have that mutual trust to get away with all the roadblocks that's coming our way.